This is Michael from SoftwareOasis.com. We're doing a 30-day challenge covering 90 top software solutions for growing and managing your business online. In each 180-second video, you'll get 6 quick actionable tips. So let's get started with F for Phrase. Smarter AI for smarter SEO. Phrase is the fastest and easiest way to create content that ranks on Google. I have been using the solution for over a year, and I can tell you it is one of the top AI solutions for SEO writing. Trusted by 30,000 content, SEO, and marketing teams, including Coursera, Merkle, Talkspace, Career Karma, and more. The platform, as you can see, has 4 key components: research, writing, optimizing, and content analytics. So tip number 1, track your keyword rankings. One of the best pieces of Phrase, in my opinion, is their Google Search Console integration. Integrate and see how you rank for different keywords and track changes over time in the analytics section. Find keywords that the content wasn't originally written for and write entire articles based on that content. Tip number 2, analyze competitor content. See how your competitors are optimizing content for a keyword by looking at their content, H2s, titles, domain authority, etc. Tip 3, create content for voice search. This is one of the biggest trends in AI. Voice search is on the horizon, and it's actually happening now. The question research tool in Phrase finds questions people ask with voice assistance so you can optimize for voice search. Tip number 4, the question research tool analyzes search results to find questions people are asking related to your topic. For Google, Bing, and the other engines, create content that answers the user's intent and questions. Tip 5, generate AI-powered content briefs. These cover a comprehensive view of the subject and can be used by your writing team to cover the content from A to Z to make sure you have the best piece of content on the internet. Tip 6, optimize your existing content. The Content Optimizer gives suggestions to improve your existing content, increase rankings, and add additional questions and keywords. Bonus tip number 7, Phrase has templates for different content formats like comparison, articles, frequently asked questions, and more. Get a free demo of Phrase by clicking the link below the video or going to softwareoasis.com/phrase. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel to see if we make our challenge goal. Over the next 30 days, we plan to cover 6 actionable tips on 90 different software solutions. Be sure to check back daily